Good morning from Bradford and Avon station. Today I'm going to head off to Portsmouth Harbour. It's going to be 2 hours and 3 minutes according to the timetable, and there's going to be 10 stops between here and when I get there. So let's see how it goes. Nice, quiet little station. So the train we're going to get is going to be from Cardiff, and in total Cardiff to Portsmouth Harbour is 3.5 hours. It's just going to be a little 3-carriage thing, so no intercity. No idea how busy it's going to be, or whether I'll get a window seat. So we'll see how this turns out, eh? Carriages, not 3, and for those of you interested, I think it's a class 158. Yeah, not too many people on board, and I've got a window seat, that's the important bit.
CCTV and body-worn cameras are in use on this train for your safety and security. Abusive behaviour towards our colleagues and fellow customers will not be tolerated.
snap for a picture. Oh, happy days, all right. What, is it a picture of the fittings underneath and all that, yeah? Have you got a picture of like the fittings underneath where I got missing? Just got a picture of the tap itself. Fine, then I'll let me have a look tonight. I'll try and do it on that. Lovely, thanks.
Just set off again, and about 7 minutes late apparently. So see how things go.
No, that's awesome.
The reason why I'm interested in how late we are is going to be touch and go to see whether I can get the 12:15 ferry up to the Isle of Wight, ride on the Isle of Wight. Portsmouth Harbour station is right at the end and next to where you get a ferry from what I remember, so should be okay. Anyway, we'll see. Otherwise it'll be an hour's wait for the 1:15, so we'll see how it goes, and the ferry trip will be the next video on this channel if all goes to plan.